Guys,
like this.
one thing is certain, after you watch this video, your skin will be skinny. Your skin will thank you.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Justina here again. Are you tired of spending your hard-earned money buying expensive skincare products that end up not deliver what it promised to deliver, or that end up doing barest minimum, just giving you like a shade, little glow here and there, even some products, like they work for you for some weeks, then after a while they stop working? Or you are probably just like me, that you want to glow with peace of mind without have to be bothering about any side effects. You just want to glow on budget while still saving. If you say yes to any of these questions, kindly join me as I will show you how to use rice, like grain rice, to transform your skin overnight. I kid you not, guys. All right, so without much delay, guys, let's jump right into today's video.
So guys, as you all know, our major ingredient for today's video is rice. So rice contains antioxidants, it contains anti-aging, it helps to fade hyperpigmentation, it hydrates the skin, it soothes irritation, it helps with skin whitening, and it also helps to fade scars and protect the skin from the sun. If you have large pores, rice is such a good ingredient for your skin. Like, the benefit of rice is a lot, guys. Like, you can do your research, it has a lot of benefits. I can't even begin to mention everything in this video. So after getting our rice, you pour it in a clean bowl, just like the way I'm doing in this video. Then we proceed to add a cup of water. I will put all the measurement of the ingredients in my description box and on the screen, guys. So you add like a cup of water to your rice and you rinse it, just to wash it. For my rice, I decided to wash it once because I'm using like a already parboiled rice. You can choose to wash your rice maybe 2 to 3 times. It all depends on you, but because, like I said, my rice is already parboiled, so I just decided to wash it once to retain all the property, guys. So after I wash it, I drain off the water, and this is me now adding like another clean water into my rice. So for this second part, I'm using like half cup of water. Remember that the first time I used like a full glass of water to wash the rice, then this second time now I'm using like a half cup. So after adding it, I just cover my rice, just look for something to cover it and set it aside for 1 hour, so that the rice can release all its property into the water. Then the rice will be well soaked, everything will marinate well together.
1 hour later.
So after an hour, so this me removing like the cover, guys. You can literally you can cover your rice longer. You can cover it for like 2 hours, 3 hours, because what we want is the rice to be fermented. That's what we want. Like what they used to say, like the older the berry, the sweeter the juice. Like, yes. So you go ahead and you just sieve out the water, and this is what we have. Like, your water must not be clear. It has to be like kind of this whitish, rice water, how it used to be. So you look for a clean jar and you just put your rice water in it. For me, I decided to add rose petals just for color. Like, it is optional, guys. It is very optional. Okay, so, and just look for a cover, something that will make it easy for you to just spray it on your face. Just spray it evenly on your face. And this is me, just doing paparazzi, just to make it fun, because my belief is like skincare and exercise, eating well, is the only thing that I'm doing for me. Like, every other thing you work, you are not the only one spending your money, but for skincare, I'm the only one enjoying it.
Like, this work wonder, guys. Like, it will literally brighten your skin, lighten hyperpigmentation, dark spots, just name it, guys. Like, this rice water, if you for the fact that it is very mild. So, and as you can see, you just spray it in the morning, allow it to sit on your face for like 10 to 15 minutes before you rinse out. Okay, using this consistently will change your skin game. Like, one more thing, guys, if you really want to take your skin to the next level, You want to wake up in the morning, wake up to the Gloria version of your skin, like to Gloria. Then let me show you how you can transform your skin with this number 2 recipe with rice water.
So for our number 2 recipe, we'll be introducing tomato. So tomato contain antioxidants such as lycopene and vitamin A. It contains vitamin C and also vitamin K. It contains anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to hydrate the skin. It helps to fight acne and protect your skin against the sun. So for this recipe, you clean your tomato and you slice it. For this recipe, we'll be needing like just 2 slices of like a tomato, obviously because we are using 250 grams of rice. Okay, so we set it aside. One thing about this particular recipe is that, you know, we are in summer now. This is a very good recipe to try out this season. So we transfer our rice into a blender. Guys, make sure you don't use like the blender you use for pepper for this recipe. For me, I'm using this particular blender. I use this one for my smoothie, so it is very safe to use. So you transfer your rice and you add your tomato into the blender with half cup of water, you know, just to mix it together. You might decide to reduce the quantity of your water if you want it to be thick, but for me, I like it runny. So you proceed to blend, and this is what we have. I decided not to bore you with all that, guys. Okay, so after you blend it, you pour it into a clean jar and you are ready to go.
Get like a brush and you apply it so evenly on your face, guys. This is such a good body polish. You can apply it all over your body, guys, all over your body. For the sake of this video, I'll be limiting it to my face. And one secret thing is that you can spray that air water too on your hair. It helps with hair growth. You can see, like consistently using of this, like use this particular body polish for like 2 to 3 times in a week. People will ask you what type of skincare products you are using, because this is very efficient, very, very, very effective. It will literally transform your skin. Okay, so this is a one-off. And for the rice water, it can be preserved in a refrigerator. After allowing this to sit on my skin for like 15 to 20 minutes, like I said, and I just kind of, you know, because it has exfoliating property, I just use it to kind of, so to take off the dead, like the dead cell in my skin.